मोर संग चलो रे मो संग चलोगा मोर संग चलो रे
Formal meetings we do three types. Informal type, where there are 10, 15, 20 farmers sitting on chairs, and then our agronomists discuss with them their problems and also the benefits of potash application.
चलो रे मो संग चलोगा जुर मिल के हम खेती ल करबो धान ल हम उपजा
Second is small farmers meeting. This could be 50 to 100 farmers meeting. This is planned meeting, and normally it's all done in a courtyard or in a farmers meeting place. Our agronomists are there, and then maybe some expert locally available is also called to discuss the benefits of potash application with the farmers.
ये मैंने क्वेश्चन का जवाब दिया था। उन्होंने पूछा था कि ये जड़ें तना मजबूत क्यों होता है पोटास खाद से, तो मैंने कहा अगर पोटास खाद से जड़ें मजबूत होती है तो तना भी मजबूत होता है। उसके उपलक्ष्य में मुझे प्राइज़ मिला है। बिल्कुल होगा, क्योंकि पुराने किसान क्या है कि सब जो पुराने ज़माने से चल रहा है वैसे ही आज के ज़माने से जो खेती करेंगे उनको फ़ायदा भी अच्छा होगा और फसल भी अच्छी मिलेगी। तो आजकल हर स्टेट में और हर काम में युवा आगे हैं, तो किसान खेती के काम में भी युवाओं को अब आगे होना पड़ेगा।
Third type, we have large scale farmers meetings, where normally we have 250, 300 or even more farmers. So these meetings are very formally conducted with invitation letters sent, and also we try to involve government officials, scientists from the university or ICR research institutes, and then lectures are given and question answer sessions are held, and farmers are asked to explain what problems they are facing or what observations they have made about application of potash in their fields. So, and the benefits of potash application are also discussed in these meetings.
Whenever we are arranging the meetings, we are keeping the record of the farmers who have participated in the meeting with their name, with their village name, their contact numbers and all the detailed address. Also, if we are doing the farmer meeting in some particular area, like if we are doing a meeting in the Dindori region, most of the farmers they are having the grapes. So we are using their crop, whatever the crop they have used, how much land holding capacity they have. Then whenever we are on our tour, whenever we go on the field, we go and follow up on that farmers. We go to this field, we observe this field, we try to explain him how you can manage this field by use of potash, how we can increase the yield, whatever. So due to that thing, we and our the farmers, we are having the mutual understanding, and it gives the clear message, so we can make somewhat image of ourselves in that farmer's mind.
You see, we are a small team. We cannot be everywhere. If you have to convey your message very effectively and also to spread it, we need the help of the state extension department. So we involve rural agriculture extension officers in our functions, or sub-divisional agriculture officer, or in many big meetings we invite their deputy director of agriculture, and also we many times organize training programs for these agriculture extension officials, so that their knowledge could be updated about potash, and also we tell them what are the benefits of application of potash and how best potash fertilizers could be used.
50 किलो पोटास लगाना, एक कदम में रखना जारी, गन्ना फसल की रक्षा खातिर सुन लो बातें कुछ प्यारी।